rise again and let them feel. And those with all my strength is crying out. So here I am again, willing to be open arms and broken like a flower in the rain. Tell me what I have to do to die and then be raised, to reach beyond the pain, like a flower in the rain. The evil wind, it flows a storm to rock my world, just when I think I'm safe and warm. I'm led astray far too easily. It's always hard for me to see I'm wrong until I know I can't go on. So here I am again, willing to be open up and broken like a flower in the rain. Tell me what I have to do to die and then be raised, to reach beyond the pain, like a flower in the rain. Lord, you will search me, and I know when I sleep and when I rise, you're familiar with all my ways. Even darkness will shine like a deep when you look into my heart. So here I am again, willing to be open up and broken like a flower in the rain. Tell me what I have to do to die and then be raised, to reach beyond the pain, like a flower in the rain, like a flower